Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you to each one of you for coming back. For those of you who are new, my name is Rosaline, and on this channel we talk about business, family, food recipe, and natural hair. In today's video, I will explain the benefits of mixed carrot juice with beetroot. Then I will show you how to prepare it. A combination carrot mixed beetroot juice is very healthy, especially for those who have anemia. Those two vegetables contain a variety of different vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Carrot is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as minerals and fiber. There are many health benefits when consumed carrot and beetroot juice. Beetroot is low in fat, full of powerful antioxidants, rich in vitamin C, and help in the absorption of iron. Beetroot and carrot juice makes for a great detoxifier due to the presence of betaine in beets that helps support healthy liver function. Both of these superfoods helps cure inflammation, and there are more benefits of this juice. It gives you a stronger vision. It improves your skin. It boosts the immune system. It reduces the risk of cancer. It lowers cholesterol. If you're pregnant, it makes you healthier. It gives strength to the function of the brain. It improves blood flow. It reduces blood pressure. And it repairs hair and reduces breakage. Now, here is the recipe. You will need 1 large beetroot, washed, peeled, and chopped. Okay? And you will need 2 medium carrot, washed, unpeeled. You will need 1 can of evaporated carnation milk, or if you don't drink no milk, you will need 2 lime. Okay? And then you will need sugar as well, which I did not add to it. You will need sugar, and then you will need 2 gallons of water, the 16.9 ounce. And this is a picture of the ingredients. Okay, if, like I said, if you don't want no milk, you can squeeze lime to your juice. And next is a little clip where I show you how to wash your vegetables, and also I show you how to prepare it. Like I said, enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video if you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.
7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.